What's up, it's your boy K and I'm back with another video. And as you can see right here behind me, I have my TURO car, so pretty much my TURO fleet. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to do your own maintenance so you can save money and keep your cars in good shape and on the road. So let's get into it. Basically right here, this is the car we're gonna be servicing. This is a 2015 Jeep Cherokee and it looks very good. So check it out. I'm gonna give you a quick walk around before we start the video. Pretty much, if you haven't seen what this car looks like, here it is. So it got the nice big screen. Of course, it has the different like modes, snow, sand, all that stuff like that. And pretty much leather interior, big sunroof there. It goes all the way back. And it's pretty much a nice, like, compact, SUV. Basically, what we're about to do today is go ahead and do an oil change. Let me see if I can get it to, there we go. So basically, so far, I think we did like over 5,000 miles already. Trip info, yep, 5,000 miles right there. So with that being said, I usually do the oil change every 3,000 miles, but this one been gone, bro. Like they just been written it out. So I finally got it back and now it's time to do the oil change. So about to go ahead and do that today. I'm about to put you guys up on game real quick. A nice place to get some oil is Myers, believe it or not, because this right here is the oil that I use. It's full synthetic high mileage oil. You got the 5, you got the 1, and of course you got the filter. Now for all this I paid a whopping 46 bucks. Now to some people you say, well, I could probably go get an oil change for 46 bucks. Well, not really, bro. If you going somewhere you get an oil change for 40 bucks, more than likely they putting regular oil, so conventional oil in your car. And no, that's not really good. You should most definitely do synthetic. If you're not doing a synthetic blend, you should do full synthetic. That's what I'm keeping in my cars. These are TURO cars. They are getting driven a lot, so you should most definitely put good oil in them. For 45 bucks, that's not bad, and you could do it yourself, and that's what I'm about to show you to do in this video. So first thing you want to do is get you a jack stand, get you a jack, get you a 4-way, because you're going to have to lift it up. Now, you really don't need to take the tire off at all. So basically, you go lift it up here. Okay, so once you got that set up, pretty much you could jack it up, put the jack stand up under there. You could do it on both sides so you can kind of make it level. Make sure you got your tools. For this one right here, it's a 13mm socket. You could use a power tool or you could use a regular ratchet. If you kind of rookie to this, just use a power tool. I mean, a ratchet, so that way you don't mess nothing up. I'm going to use a power tool because I do it all the time. Here is your oil filter. Then right behind that, right here, is the drain plug. So you take your 13, you test fit it first, and it fits. So now you can loosen it up. But before you do that, make sure you have this, and make sure you get your drain pan and slide it up under there, just like that. Then I just twist it out with my hand the rest of the way, so that way you can make sure you catch the oil. Just like that. You see how I had to move it? It wasn't even in the right area, so just be prepared when you pull it out. So we got to let this drain, and then we can do the oil filter next. Okay, so once you pretty much got it drained out, you could just take it, make sure you clean it off. And if it's a crush washer on there, you're gonna have to replace it. But this one is good to go. So you pretty much just go ahead, just tighten it back up. So basically, after everything is drained out, if you make a mess, of course, you got to clean it up, all right? But what I like to do before I actually drain the oil filter is I like to empty this out just so it doesn't, make another mess. So what we're going to do is just pick this up and actually pour it into an old oil container, because you can actually take this to the auto parts store and they can dispose of it for you. So don't do nothing crazy with it. Just drop it off at AutoZone or O'Reilly's, whatever you got, and they'll dispose your old oil. Now, to do the filter, you actually want to put some grip gloves on if you're going to do it by hand, or you can use like the oil filter pliers. They're kind of like super big pliers. You can just grab onto them, but I'm using my hand. I got some grip. As long as you got some grip, you'll be able to twist it off. It shouldn't be on that tight from the beginning. So let's go ahead and try it out. It's basically right here. Just grab it and twist it. You want to pour a little bit in there, not too much, just a little. That's good right there. Then now you just want to put it back up in the car. So just like that, you good to go. Just hand tighten it. So now once you're done with that, you want to come into the engine bay, take the oil cap off, and then you want to pour the recommended amount of oil into your car. If you don't know, there's usually a sticker up here, somewhere up there, or down here somewhere. It will tell you how much you need in the engine compartment or in your manual. So check that out if you don't know. Okay, so after you pour your oil in, you most definitely want to check it out on your dipstick. Mine is right there. It's pretty much perfect. So I'll put that back in there. If you want to, of course, you can change the engine bay, but pretty much that's how you do your oil change. Now that the oil change is done, make sure you always check the other fluids in there. So the windshield wiper fluid, the coolant, everything. Mine is already topped off, is already good to go. So the next thing I have to do is go ahead and clean this bad baby out. So I did just get back from a rental, and you can see it's a little bit junky, man. It's not too crazy. You know what I'm saying? Just minor little stuff. So nothing really ooh, don't hit that, but nothing to complain about really. So I just got to hit it with a vacuum and I should be good to go for the most part. Just wipe down the panels and I'll be good. And just like that, you guys, the interior is cleaned up. So let's check it out. Here it is right here. Got the door, got everything, man. Super clean, bro. I'll be putting like soap and water and stuff in here, and it'd be working out real good, bro. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you wipe down your seats for sure. But everything else looks super good. It smells good in here too. You know what I'm saying? We got everything looking right, even in the back. So we good to go. Now that's basically it for actually getting this car ready for the next trip. Of course, I'm gonna hit the outside with a quick, car wash real quick. I might do the self car wash, or I don't know, the touchless car wash. Just depends on how I'm feeling. But that's basically it for today in today's video. Just showing you guys, the process of what I'm doing with the TURO cars. Of course, you got to keep your cars, in good shape. You got to maintain them things because everybody is driving, and you always got to remember everybody drive cars differently. Some people heavy pedal to the metal, some people just cruise, bro. So you don't know who you got in your car driving. So just make sure you keep up on the maintenance. Make sure, they last long so they can continue bringing you that money, you feel me? And then just grow your fleet. So right now we got this one, and there's something in the back too that might be on the platform next too. So with that being said, thanks for watching. Oh yeah, by the way, so to actually get your sensor to go off, what you do is go into it. Forgive the noise because I got the door open, but it's one of these things. I think it's this one. Oil change. How do you do it? It's one of these things. Fuel economy. Vehicle info. Trans oil pressure. There we go. You just reset it. You hold OK to reset. OK is right there. You just hold it to reset, and now it's at 100%. So we good to go. So with that being said, thanks for watching, you guys. Make sure you tune in, comment down below. Let me know what you think of the Jeep, and I'm going to see you next episode.